This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Jamaica is now experiencing a fifth wave of COVID-19, according to reports from the Health and Wellness Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton. There has been an increase in cases and in the positivity rate in the last few weeks, which the minister said is likely due to the Omicron BA.2 subvariant. According to Dr. Tufton, unlike other COVID-19 infection spikes, the illness in this fifth wave is less severe and the length of hospital stays is shorter. The opposition spokesman on Health and Wellness, Dr. Maurice Guy, says the Cabinet and the Minister of Health and Wellness must take responsibility for Jamaica's new COVID crisis and the fifth wave through the highly transmissible Omicron BA.2 variant. In a statement on Wednesday, Dr. Guy noted that the Health Minister and the Prime Minister went against all caution and ended important protocols at a time when it was known that the BA.2 was present in Jamaica. He said warnings came from all the country's medical groups, some public sector doctors, public health academics, among others. The opposition spokesman went on to say that he had called for retention of mask wearing indoors and testing of arriving passengers in Jamaica, but the government, pressured by interested groups, ignored good sense. A man died as a result of injuries he sustained in a three-vehicle crash on the Content Main Road in Manchester on Tuesday. He is 48-year-old Carlton Simpson, a resident of Porus. A police report said about 7:25 p.m., Simpson was driving a Honda Civic motor car when he overtook a motor truck and collided head-on with a Honda Stepwagon motor car, which was traveling in the opposite direction. Police said the impact resulted in the Honda Civic being pushed into the path of the motor truck. Simpson was transported to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The driver of the Honda Stepwagon has been hospitalized. The education community is mourning the passing of Jennifer Giddon, the vice principal of Charlemont High School in Linstead, St. Catherine. She died this morning on her way to the hospital. Giddon, who was reportedly ailing for some time, is believed to be the sixth educator to have died in the past 8 days. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.